Hey everyone. So I've been working on a series of what's in my bag posts with all my EVOC camera bags. And last summer while I was up at Bogus Basin doing some scouting for a photo shoot for DEITY, I decided to do a little what's in my bag post with my EVOC Stage Capture 16. That's my smallest camera bag. It's the one I carry when I'm just riding my bike and I want to bring my camera with me, or if I'm going on kind of an epic ride adventure, but I'm not bringing all my flashes and other gear that require me to bring a bigger bag. It turned out there was a little bit of wind and I didn't have a dead cat for my microphone, and there was a bit of wind noise, but I've done a bit of work on the audio and I apologize if it's not perfect, but let's get right to it. Hey everyone, Ian Highlands here, and I'm up at the top of Bogus Basin doing some scouting for some photos I need to take riding my bike, and I thought right now would be an awesome time to do a little what's in your bag post about this bag, my EVOC Stage Capture 16. This is the bag I use if I'm going for a bike ride where I want to carry just a minimal amount of gear, still all the things I need, and also a jacket, some water, some snacks, all the basics, and my camera. To start with, it's pretty cool. It's got this little side entry thing on it. So as you can see right here, there's a little zippered compartment that allows me to access my camera without having to put my bag down, and that's always really nice. My Sony A9, the 70-200 f4. This is one of my main lenses. It's light, it's compact. The 2.8 is great, but if I gotta ride my bike and carry this stuff around, the f4 is amazing. I've also got 16-35 f4 for those wide shots. All the way to 35, which is pretty cool. And then the top compartment here, I've got my Rokinon fisheye. This guy. 12mm 2.8, it's manual, but it's beautiful. I've also got gloves, jacket in case it gets windy or rainy. I had some snacks in here, but I already ate those, so thanks Lift Bar, but I don't have any left. Ate them all. This bag also has a bladder in it. Got my water. Keep me hydrated, which is great. A really nice ventilated back panel here. I really like the waistband on these EVOC bags as well. It's elastic. Thick elastic Velcro, holds the bag really secure when you're riding, camera's not bouncing around. And then there's a regular buckle on top of that. It works really well. I love the way this bag carries. All right, see ya. All right, so hopefully that was a helpful post about what I carry in my EVOC Stage Capture 16, my camera gear, jacket, first aid kit, snacks, all that kind of stuff. As it was in the video, it came in at about 22 pounds. That's with about a liter of water in it. If I take the water out and just carry a water bottle on my bike, it's right around 16 or 17 pounds. So I ended up doing a photo shoot after this where I scouted here at Bogus, and there's a post about that that's linked down in the notes down there. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers.